Hello, angles, standard 6th, lesson number 2. Let's recall angles. Look at the angle shown in the pictures below. Identify the type of angle and write its name below the picture. In the first picture, there is an N. Vertex of the angle L, M or N. Arms of the angle arms LM or MN. Last, angle BOS. The stick in figure F completes one round and comes back to its original position. As in figure G, it turned through 180 degree till it made a straight angle and 180 degree after making the straight angle, thus completing 360 degree in all. An angle made in this way is called a full or complete angle. The measure of a complete angle is 360 degree. We can make a circle like this for 360 degree. My friend, maths at the fair, at home, in the garden. In first picture there are acute angles. Second picture also there are a reflex angle. In that picture there is a reflex angle. Or third picture there is straight angle. Practice set 2. Match the following. Measure of the angles, type of angle. First 180 degree straight angle, 240 degree a reflex angle, 360 degree complete angle and 0 degree zero angle. Second question. The measure of some angles are given below. Write the type of each angle. First 75 degree, it's an acute angle. Second 0 degree, zero angle. Third 215 degree, reflex angle. Fourth 316 degree, 60 degree complete angle. 180 degree straight angle. 120 degree obtuse angle. 148 degree, it's also obtuse angle. 90 degree, it's a right angle. Third question. Look at the figures below and write the type of each of the angles. First A, acute angle. B, right angle. C, obtuse angle. D, straight angle. E, zero angle. And last F, complete angle. Question number 4. Use a protractor to draw an acute angle, right angle and obtuse angle. Please complete the practice set. like and subscribe. try this. Use two sticks of different colors to make the angles from angle A to angle G. In figure A, the two sticks lie one upon the other. There is no change in their position. In this position, the angle between the sticks is called a zero angle. The measure of the zero angle is written as 0 degree. Now, keeping one stick this way, turn the other one around as shown in the figure. The angle formed in figure B is called acute angle. An angle greater than 0 degree but less than 90 degree is called acute angle. Then the angle formed in figure C is right angle. An angle of 90 degree is called right angle. The angle formed in figure D is obtuse angle. An angle greater than 90 degree but less than 180 degree is called obtuse angle. If the sticks is turned further in the direction shown in figure D, we get a position as in figure E. An angle like this is called straight angle. A straight angle measures 180 degree. If the stick is turned even further as shown, like the one in figure F, this angle is greater than 180 degree. Such an angle is called a reflex angle. A reflex angle is greater than 180 degree and less than 360 degree. We measure this way 180 degree or 70 degree or 40 degree. Then the stick in figure F